Okay, I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the whole 13 door cooler. I'm just done with all the doors. It's my last door left here. So the easiest way is to these kind of old doors. Just gotta take a flat or a flat screwdriver or crowbar. Just this is the screwdriver and just put it underneath the door right here and just slightly lift it up. So there's there's a spring inside that will release the lock. So I'm just gonna do it. I think it's out of the hook. So when you're done like that, make sure you hold the door, and right on the top you have to insert the screwdriver or crowbar and just push it a little down so the door will release. Alright, there we go. It's out now. So just put it on the side. So far I'm done hooking up the doors. I'm gonna work with frames, how to take those off. All you need to have is a crowbar and that's it. That's all you need, a crowbar to just take these off frames and doors. That's all the tool you need at the first point. Then I'll get back to you once I'm opening these panels. Thank you.